always thinking about them country roads. LA's cool, New York's great, but I wouldn't wanna be anywhere but my home state. And I've been going everywhere, but everywhere doesn't compare to the thrills. Beverly don't wanna talk about hills. Born and raised in a 304, where everybody tries to drink till they can't no more. And no matter where I be at on the globe, I'm singing this and everybody knows. And no matter what direction I'm headed, I know where I've been. I got my heart at home. If I leave, I'll come back again. Been around the map, but wherever I'm at, the tour bus got a West Virginia welcome mat. So that's that. Ain't nothing gonna replace that pride. Just a West Virginia kid, but we gone worldwide. If you were from there, you would know how I feel. Think I had my first beer inside a Mountaineer field. I don't know where I'll be tomorrow. That depends where I lay my head tonight. No matter where I go, I'm always thinking about them country roads. Texas cool, DC's great, but I never wanna be anywhere but my home state. And lately I've been on the road, but since I've been on the road, I feel like everywhere I go I lose another little piece of my soul. Growing up I never thought I'd lead this life, but now I'm running around the nation like I'm Pat White. And no matter where I be going tonight, I'ma always rep them gold and blue stripes. Yeah, the one thing I was taught from the start is I don't need a big city, cause I got big heart. Never knew what it meant till it happened to me, but it helped develop me into the person you see. Yeah, I owe a lot to the place I was raised. I just pray that I find my way back one day. If you were from there, you would know how I feel. I'd do anything to see them wide and wonderful hills. I don't know